Hello everyone, my name is Joe, and welcome to my project Aquaponics in Society. I'm a bachelor's student with Cascadia College in the Sustainable Practices program doing his capstone project on aquaponics. This is the second video of a 3-video series explaining how to maintain an aquaponics system and some of the parts that make the system function. This video series is made for 21 acres as a demonstration on one possible way to grow food. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. So a quick overview of how this works is we have our main filter right here for the fish that just helps remove excess nutrients from the water. Have a thermometer just kind of floating around right by it. We have our light, and then we have our heater, and right behind that little black box right there is the pump that actually pumps the water all the way up into the aquaponic system itself. The aquaponic system is being hung by those red hooks that are just screwed into the studs in the wall, and the plants sit in these little holes right here in these containers that just fit in like so, like right there. But over time, this system gets pretty gunked up. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take it off the wall, and we're just going to disconnect it and run a hose through each one with the nozzle on it and just kind of blast out all the crud. Here, I just wanted to show you guys the different parts of the aquaponic system itself and just a quick visual demonstration of how easily the system fits together. Moving on to cleaning the fish tank, this part mostly consists of removing the pumps and filters, removing the rockery, removing the fish and storing them in a temporary tank, scrubbing all the sides of the tank, pumping out all the dirty water and debris off the bottom of the tank, filling the tank back up with clean water, and putting the pumps, rockery, and fish back in the tank. On a side note, make sure to use dechlorinator in both the temporary tank and main tank, and also pre-rinse your filter for the carbon dust before you install it in your pump. Here, I just wanted to give everyone a basic demonstration of the whole system functioning together. Everything from the filter, to the water heater, to the pump for the growing tubes, to the grow lights used, and to the actual plants that grow within the system. I should say that these are just flowers that I bought with the limited selection at a local garden retailer since they were out of other vegetable plants. I think this in itself shows how these systems can be used for other purposes instead of just food production, like aesthetic value for your home. As again, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, and be sure to tune into my third video where I dissect the role of where aquaponics fits in our society and where it ultimately doesn't.